The guests have heard a lot about the positive changes that have taken place in the Chechen Republic, and the improvement of the situation here affects their republic as well. Villages that border the two republics are the first to experience the consequences and changes of the neighboring republic. In their opinion, the current situation in the Chechen Republic is good.
The situation in Chechnya directly influences the situation in Dagestan. This especially can be felt in the villages bordering the two republics. The last several years we have had the pleasure of living in peace.
One of the main destinations of the visiting guests is the central mosque in Grozny. The Dagestani children glazed in awe, and their cameras will help them to preserve the memory of beauty of the Chechen capital. They will have something to brag about to their friends.
It is so beautiful here, and all the places are so nice. I'm happy to be here. What we especially liked was the mosque. The people are so hospitable. Next year we hope to come with our entire class.
The excursion for these guests was organized by the representatives for the Ministry of Education and Health. By the way, the Deputy Minister of Health, Rukman Bartiev, is a former inhabitant of Novoselodinskaya village, and according to his words, he is especially happy to have arranged this tour.
I am ecstatic that the President has done so much for visitors to admire. I'm proud of this mosque, Islamic Institute, and buildings under construction. We started our tour with visiting the mosque named after the first president of the Chechen Republic, Ahmad Haji Kadyrov. Children and teachers were surprised to see the positive changes in our republic. They saw it on TV, but seeing it for themselves is magnificent. They are very pleased.
The guests witnessed the best sights of the capital, such as parks, gardens, and many other attractions. The outing concluded with a group photo at the statue of the first president of the Chechen Republic, Ahmad Kadyrov.
Women have been wearing headscarves in the Chechen Republic before the time Islam came in the 18th century. Today the headscarf represents many things. It is worn as a symbol of respect towards Islam and traditional Chechen culture, values, and traditions. It also promotes a sense of solidarity among the nations. For my time living in the Chechen Republic, I'd like to find a style of headscarf that best suits me. This style of scarf shows devotion to the Islamic religion. It is a Chechen tradition to have the head covered. There is a growing popularity of headscarves in the Republic today. You can see many young girls wearing these styles.
Этот платок у нас пользуется популярностью молодежи.
I think this style suits me best, but I'd like your opinion as well. Please send your opinions and any questions you may have for me via SMS to 4647. Then text ZOV and your question or comment. This was Crystal Callahan for Grozny TV. See you next Sunday.